Hi everyone, this is Bobby here, and I'm back to you with my 1981 Lasko Galaxy 12-inch oscillating blue blade table fan. I bought this off eBay in March of 2018 or 19 for $40, probably a little more than I should have paid for it, but yeah. So it was brought to my attention by a fellow fan collector, which is part of the Facebook group I Heart Fans on Facebook. It was a 1981 model, not a 1979. So I was always thought this whole time was a 1979, but it really is a 1981. Yeah, so it's a really good fan. It runs really good. I have no problems with it. At one point it ran very slow on low, and I gave it a drop of oil and it ran just fine after that. So I was just running it today, actually, because it was like 50 degrees today. And, yeah. So here's low. That motor hum is really cool. I'm going to turn the oscillator on. Sitting here on my hope chest. I remember these were very popular in my school. My teacher had a brown one like this. And the neighbor next door in my old childhood apartment had a blue one like this sitting on her hope chest. Here's medium. And I think there's also a really rare green one that was sold under the Sears brand, which I've heard and I've seen only in pictures. I've always wanted the brown one. Maybe one day I'll get that. And hi. And of course it's got to suck in the curtains, which I don't like, but whatever. There's really no yellowing whatsoever. And the base has a very slight tint to it from the yellowing, but it's not horrible, which I'm really glad. I'm gonna have it steady here. Turn this around. A little more. And off. Comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow my TikTok, which is Bobby Bissell. And also, if you're not a part of the iHeart fan group on Facebook, please go join. Have a wonderful night, and gone. God bless.